So, this happened today. Little Cassie was not happy. But we thought we lost one until just now.
She is back.
She survived.
But something kind of happened to her.
Yeah, something kind of happened to her. She don't have a tail.
No, that's the sad part.
I
don't think she's gonna live, but maybe.
She will too.
Well,
But Angel's okay.
Yeah.
The squirrel lost her tail today
Can we take her to the vet?
by a wild dog.
Yeah. They're stupid dogs.
So aren't you happy?
Yeah, but I
Yeah,
hate the dogs.
chickens are alive,
Yeah.
just tailless.
It's like the headless chicken.
Yeah, it's like the headless chicken.
But it's the tailless
It's the
chicken.
tailless chicken.
Yeah.
Oh,
Will she be able to poop?
yeah, she'll be able to poop.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.